body, and I had shingles. It took the most valuable thing in my life, which is my face. It was right here. I was like, how can I make money if my face is messed up? But I got through it because I just really took care of myself and on what I need and sleeping right and surrounding myself with good people and with self-limiting beliefs. I think there's a notion here in the Philippines, and it's a constant conversation that I have with other people. It's the self-limiting belief that I can change. But the thing is, you can. And it's just a mindset shift. It's just neuroplasticity is beautiful. But yeah, it's a mindset shift. So I'm here just facing my fears, shaking at my bikini, honestly. I've never done this, but I am here, and I hope I can inspire other people by doing the same. I want to bring you guys in my journey to just break the self-limiting beliefs, gaining confidence through repetition, and learning to be selfish, to be able to be more selfless. Again, I'm Lupiano, freaking out, but yeah, this is only the beginning of my strongest chapter, which is my Superbod.
Thank you, Lou. Thanks for making it, and don't worry, we don't know you're freaking out until you told us you're freaking out.
Okay, cool. I should
Yeah.
have said that.
So you're not freaking out.
Okay.
Okay, so here's your final question from Judge Jules.
Hi, Judge Jules.
Hello, how's it going?
Beautiful, not freaking out.
As someone who's been part of my big brother, and just, I guess, just being on the spotlight often, being in the public eye means facing constant scrutiny about how you look and live. How do you protect your peace and maintain your authentic voice online?
The only thing that keeps me really going are the people who I know my market is, which is young girls and probably young men. That I just want to really live my life as truthfully as I can. So the moment I stepped outside of the house, I just let go of all that. I had the controversy inside the house, but I owned it. Every mistake, every lapses, and all of that, I just take accountability for it, and it's okay. So, yeah. Yeah. I have a
Female number